Good morning, children. Today, let us begin the session for the day. Today, we will be dealing with the dissection of chicken carcass. Before going into the details, let us discuss a few poultry related terms. What is poultry? Avian species like chicken, duck, quail, turkey, etc. are poultry. What is a broiler? A broiler is an young chicken 6 to 8 weeks of age of either sex. So remember, broiler is not an adult bird, but it's a young chicken 6 to 8 weeks of either sex. What is a chick? Young one of chicken of age 0 to 8 weeks is called a chick. What is a grower and what is a layer? A grower is a growing chicken 9 to 20 weeks old. A grower is 9 to 20 weeks old chicken. What is a layer? From the term layer, it is understood that the chicken which has reached the age of laying eggs. So, 20 to 72 weeks old chicken is known as a layer. Now, let us start with the dissection of the chicken carcass. This is a chicken. Scientific name Gallus domesticus. Let us observe it in detail. First, let us deal with the external body parts and then we will deal in detail with the internal body parts, giving significance to the digestive system of poultry. The head region. The head region comprises of three main parts: the combs, the wattles and the earlobes. The comb is serrated in case of cock. The comb has two main parts, the point and the base. The point is serrated in male and the central portion of the serrated section is known as point. The base, of course, is the base of the comb. This is seen on the head region, and below the beaks we can see the paired wattles, which is also bright red in color. Also, we can see earlobes which are rudimentary on either side of the head as small holes. Next comes the mouth. Let us see the mouth in detail. The mouth mainly has two parts, the beak and the tongue. The beak is used to swallow food particles as a whole, and the tongue is arrow shaped and barbed like the head of an arrow. Now let us see in detail the wings. The wings has an anterior part and a posterior part. The anterior part of the wing is known as the wing front and the posterior part is known as wing bow. The feathers are seen in the posterior part or the part which is close to the body, which is the wing bow. The wing bow contains beautiful feathers. Feathers are mainly two types, contour feathers and down feathers. What is a contour feather? The flight feathers are known as contour feathers, which is found all over the body, and the contour feathers helps in flight. In case of chicken, the contour feathers are the main flight feathers. Also we have the down feathers, which is divided into plumels and filioplumes. The plumels are the intermediate feathers which maintain the body temperature of the chicken. Filioplumes are the smallest feathers seen in chicken. Next we move on to the feet and legs. The feet contains epidermal scales, spur, the legs, toes and of course the claws. The spur is found only in male, which is used for self-defense. This is absent in case of females. The bird Asil, the breed of chicken Asil, has well-developed spur and is used for cockfights. So you have to remember that the name of the bird which is used for cockfight is Asil. Asil is the indigenous breed, that is the breed which is belonging to India. Now let us go into the detailed dissection of the chicken. First we can observe the feathers. Feathers I have explained in detail, so I am not going into the details. Next we can see the skin. When you cut open through the skin, you reach the muscle tissue and further you see the adipose tissue. The adipose tissue is yellow in color, which is basically fat that you can see in the video. Next we come into the respiratory components, that is air sacs. Air sacs are 9 in number, 4 are paired and 1 is single. The single is found inside the bone, that is interclavicular air sac. It is present inside the clavicle or the collar bone. The speciality of poultry skeletal system is the bones are pneumatic. What is pneumatic bone? Pneumatic bone means there are air pockets within the bone. It helps to reduce the weight of the bird during the flight. Next we can see the heart. The heart has two parts, mainly the outer covering which is known as pericardium. The heart has the outer covering, the pericardium. When you open through the pericardium, we can observe the apex of the heart. Next we can observe the respiratory component, that is the trachea. The trachea leads to the paired lungs. The voice box of birds is known as syrinx. Now we can observe the blood vessels and mainly the aorta supplying towards the heart. Next we can see the liver. We can also see that the liver is covered by large amount of adipose tissue and you can also see the lobes of the liver. Next we can observe the testis. The paired testis, as the bird is a male, so we can observe the testis. Lastly, we can observe the lungs, which is closely attached to the ribs. Next comes the kidneys. Kidneys are paired. Now let us observe the digestive system in detail. Chicken has simple digestive system. Let us see in detail the parts. First we can see the adipose tissue which covers the liver. Liver is lobed and you can see the lobes of the liver. Then you can see the intestine basically divided into small intestine and large intestine. Coming back to the digestive system in detail, you can see the proventriculus and the gizzard. You can also see the gallbladder and lastly the small intestine. The three parts of the small intestine are duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Here we come to the conclusion of the dissection. To wind up the session, let's discuss the digestive system of the chicken and tell all the points that I have covered so far. The chicken has the simple digestive system. The main components are mouth, esophagus, crop, stomach, liver and pancreas, small intestine, ceca, large intestine and cloaca. The mouth has two parts, the beak and the tongue. The tongue is arrow head shaped.
Wave Beats music.
The esophagus connects the pharynx and the stomach. The function of the crop. Crop is an extension of the esophagus which stores the food materials.
Wave Beats music.
The stomach is mainly two types, glandular stomach and the muscular stomach. The glandular stomach is the proventriculus which secretes the gastric juices. The muscular stomach is the gizzard which helps in grinding the food particles.
Wave Beats music.
Then comes the small intestine. The small intestine is divided into three parts, the duodenum, jejunum and the ileum. Then comes the liver and the pancreas. The liver produces bile juice which helps in fat absorption. The pancreas produces the pancreatic juice which helps in digestion. The main function of small intestine include digestion and absorption. There is a peculiarity for the ceca of birds, especially chicken. Chicken has double cecum. The large intestine is short and leads to the cloaca. Cloaca does the excretory function. So with this I conclude this session. Thank you and have a nice day.